Hello everybody, my name is Vito, developer at United Codes. Today we're going to show you how to create a basic form. Go ahead and go to the Create Forms tab and press the button Create. Give your form a label and a form name should be filled out automatically. When we go to the form builder, you can right-click the form structure to add a new group node. The only node allowed in the root of your form should be groups. We have disabled this node type as well. Give your node a good name and of course the label. The labels are multi-language as well. As you can see, the group gets rendered out as an H2. Then we can add another text field for our email. Always make sure that the name of the nodes are unique. Give it a label, then add our password. Again, a unique name, and of course our label. There we go. So we have a simple registration form. Let's make it look nice now. Put it on the same row, make it a bit wider, and of course make email also a bit wider. There we go. If you're ever stuck with a certain input type, you can always refer to the help text. It works the same way as Apex. Again, press save, and when you're done with your form, you can choose to publish your form and send it out to your users. So let's go and do that. There you go. And then we can see we can fill out those forms. So let's do that. There's already some versioning when you use the default tables. Let's start filling out the form. I just noticed that we did not put any required fields on this form. So let's go back and do that. On our email, search for the validation group and put on required. The same for the password. There we go. And now we can publish our form again. And as you can see, there's a second version. So let's fill out that one. You can switch between the versions as well, but let's switch back to the second one. I'm going to fill out this form. As you can see, there is validation built in now. There we go, that's the password. Let's change my password real quick and submit again. When we go out to filled out forms, we can see 3 forms. And of course, here is the one I filled in last. You can view the JSON data of your form here. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you enjoy the plugin.